Hello everyone. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம Worth 4 டெஸ்டோட interpretations பத்தி பார்க்க போறோம். So Worth 4 test is a test for BSV and it is a test for diplopia. BSV அப்படின்னா என்ன? ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் நம்ம முன்னாடி இருக்கு. அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் லெஃப்ட் ஐயால மட்டும் பார்த்தோம்னா ஒரு மாதிரி தெரியும், ரைட் ஐயால பார்த்தாலும் ஒரு மாதிரி தெரியும். ஆனா ரெண்டு கண்ணாலும் சேர்த்து பார்த்தா சிங்கிள் ஆப்ஜெக்டா தெரியுதுல. This is called as binocular single vision. And diplopia அப்படின்னா சிம்பிளா it is double vision. ஒரே ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ரெண்டு ஆப்ஜெக்டா தெரிஞ்சிச்சு அப்படின்னா this is called as diplopia. Diplopia is seen in squint. என்ன மாதிரியான ஸ்குவிண்ட்ல பார்க்கலாம்? It is seen in exotropia and esotropia. This is right eye, this is left eye. Suppose there is a squint in left eye. If the left eye is deviated towards nasal side, this is called as esotropia. And if the eye is deviated towards temporal side, this is called as left side exotropia. And there is one more terminology. Exotropia is also called as cross diplopia, and esotropia is also called as uncrossed diplopia. So எப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம்? இதுல x வருதா? So x means crossed. So for now remember this. At the end of the video I will explain why exotropia is called as crossed and why esotropia is called as uncrossed. For doing this Worth 4 test, we need a light source like this or like this, and you must be wearing a glass like this. Idhula enna note pananum, you have to note that in the right eye there is red filter and in the left eye there is green filter. So remember, right la R for red filter. You are going to wear this glass. So நம்ம test interpretation பார்க்கும்போது you will be seeing what the patient sees. In your right eye you will be having the red color, and in your left eye you will be having the green color. Now let's get into the topic. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு torch light we are going to flash it towards the patient, and since in this condition you are imagining yourself as a patient, you are going to wear this glass. This is your right side and this is your left side, and right side la red filter இருக்கு and in left side you are having green filter. First இந்த filter வழியா பார்க்கும்போது இந்த கலர்ஸ்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். என்ன பண்றேன்? I am taking this glass. If you are looking through the left eye, you will be able to see 3 green lights. பார்க்க முடியுதா? You are able to see a green light over here, here and here. அதே மாதிரி if you are going to see through the right eye, you will be able to see 2 red lights over here and over here. So ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்து வச்சு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா how you will be able to see? That is called as normal retinal correspondence. So this is the first condition. For you to see a single image for a single object, ரெண்டு ரெட்டினாஸும் கரஸ்பாண்டிங்கா இருக்கணும். That is called as normal retinal correspondence. So in normal retinal correspondence, right eye பார்க்கும்போது you are able to see a red light on the top and red light on the bottom, and left eye பார்க்கும்போது you are able to see 3 green lights. So இங்க என்ன நடக்குது அப்படின்னா, the light in the bottom is having mixing of green and red light. So net effect the light is going to be somewhat like this. So the second one is abnormal retinal correspondence. In abnormal retinal correspondence also you will be seeing the same thing. So என்ன difference இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, in abnormal retinal correspondence the patient will have a squint. Squint இருந்தும் if the image formed is single and it appears normal, this is called as abnormal retinal correspondence. Next, let us see what is left eye suppression and what is right eye suppression. Left eye suppression அப்படின்னா, left eye is not working properly. There is some kind of an amblyopia. So என்ன நடக்கும்? The left eye will not form any image and only the right eye will form the image. So you will be seeing only 2 red lights. அதே மாதிரி if the right eye is suppressed, the patient will be seeing only through the left eye, and in the left eye the patient will be seeing 3 green lights. So let's draw it. Left eye suppression la right eye ஆல மட்டும் தான் பார்க்க முடியும். So the patient will be able to see 2 red lights like this. Next, in right eye suppression, the patient will be able to see only through the left eye. So in left eye, the patient will be able to see these 3 green lights. Next, let us see what is uncrossed diplopia and crossed diplopia. So diplopia நடக்குது அப்படின்னா ஒரு இமேஜ் எப்படி தெரியும்? ரெண்டா தெரியும். So let us duplicate this image. So first uncrossed diplopia என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம். In uncrossed diplopia, left side ல இருக்கிற image is formed by left eye and right side ல இருக்கிற image is formed by right eye. So என்ன தெரியுது? In the left eye, you are able to see 3 green lights, and in the right eye, you are going to see 2 red lights. இந்த ரெண்டு இமேஜும் சேர்ந்து ஒரே மாதிரி நமக்கு எப்படி தெரியும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, so first left eyeல இருக்கிற 3 lights தெரியும், அப்படியே பக்கத்துல ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கிற ரெண்டு ரெட் லைட்டும் தெரியும். In a crossed diplopia, what happens is the left eye is going to form the right side image and the right eye is going to form the left side image. Left side eye la you will be able to see 3 green lights and in right side eye you will be able to see 2 red lights. This is exactly opposite to what we see in uncrossed diplopia. So why is uncrossed diplopia called as esotropia and why is crossed diplopia called as exotropia? So in the image paranga, here in image A there is a right lateral rectus palsy. என்ன நடக்குது? The eyeball is turning towards the nasal side. So here there is esotropia. Esotropia la the object forms an image on the retina in the nasal side. Normally இந்த இடத்துல ஃபார்ம் ஆக வேண்டியது it is deviated nasally. Nasal side retina is going to form an image on the temporal side. இது normal concept. So this part of nasal retina is going to form the image on the temporal side. Left eye வந்து left side ஒரு image form ஆகுது, right side வந்து right side ஒரு image form ஆகுது. There is no crossing, so this is called as uncrossed. அதே இத image B பாருங்க, there is right side medial rectus palsy and the eye is deviated towards temporal side, so this is called as exotropia. The image must have formed somewhere over here, ana the image is forming more temporally. So temporal side of the retina will form an image more nasally, so the image formed is towards the left side. So note, right eye la the image form is in the left side and the left eye forms the image on the right side, so there is crossing taking place. That is why we are calling exotropia as crossed diplopia. So this is about the various interpretations of Worth 4 test.